Let's go to all right, let me make sure everything's up online. Just so when I rush through this, you guys definitely get the information. So I'm just okay. So let's just jump right into the playbook real quick here. We're looking at this week's play, the stock market. We're looking at we had 115 buys on Friday here, and then coming over here, we're gonna sell all those 115 plays on this Monday. Today you're gonna buy ABBV, AVB, CDW, INFO, ROP, XYL, ZTS. The 17th, February 17th, that's today, right? So that's what we're looking at here. February 17th. Let me just move this up for you guys can see it. And then let's zoom out a bit for you guys to see it a little bit better. So we're gonna see the stock market slow down a lot at the end of the month. Crypto is probably gonna look good here. This was a great shorting opportunity until the weekend, and honestly, it's still probably a good shorting opportunity for crypto into here. But once we get into the slower market area, actually through this week, crypto's probably going to be really choppy. We're getting out of the stock market bull right now, and we're getting out of the crypto bear. And then here we'll be in the stock market bear, and then we should be in the crypto bull. Obviously, the best day to play this week was February 14th. And we've been trying to figure out how to use this with crypto. Testing over the last 2 months, and my buddy Matt has raked in over 1,000% in one play, and he's continuously waiting for some great plays to come through in this next bull once the stock market turns around. But the thing we have to make sure when we're like looking for these like inverse relationships is we have to confirm when it starts. If we get in too early, we're gonna lose. You figure out the timing, and then you don't get in early. You watch the timing, and then once the movement starts, that's when you get in, once it's confirmed. Otherwise, you're going to get stuck in convergence. You're day trading. You're losing money just from day trading. If you're on leverage, you're getting stopped out. If you're losing tight stops, you're getting stopped out. You don't make money trading when things are converging and moving sideways. So once convergence breaks and the movement is confirmed, it's very easy to make a lot of money through leverage. I'm kind of tuning this to the one person I talked to about crypto today, how we're trying to turn this system into helping predict the crypto market, because this does so well at predicting both stock markets because it's analyzing 722 stocks a day. But in short, for everyone that's been using my playbook, we have the buys here. You're going to buy these stocks today. You're going to sell them by the next trade day for a 0.6% average gain. And you should hit that 78% of the time if you trade exactly like I do. I recommend everyone to record their buy entries and sell entries of every play they do, because this way you'll know your own win rate and your magnitude of win. So my win rate is 78%, and I win 0.6% per trade using this strategy. We're doing an experiment, just like an engineer would do or a scientist. You collect data, and you analyze the data over time. You normally need 30 data points to get a good perspective of how good something is. When I did the testing and recording of this system, I did over 300 plays that hit a 78% win rate. So how many loses is that? Out of 66 loses in 300 plays. That is really good. And a lot of people will look at this, they'll buy a bad stock right away, and then they'll stop using my system. And you're just going to be one of those 22% that hit a lose first. I know someone was in that boat with Cody first time trying my system on 13th. And CWD was a loser, but everything else in this week was a week. And I bet 100% for sure over half of these are winners, and closer to 75% of these are winners. And all of them could be winners if you just trade them right. We're not going to go into trading strategies. We're going to keep it simple right now on the buy signals today, or the buy stocks today. You're going to sell it tomorrow. Pay attention to this video. I'm finishing my degree this week at quarter of an hour, and you know, write down these stocks that we got coming up this week, so you don't necessarily have to find my playbook. But I will be on every day this week, giving a quick update. Not really following the stocks because I don't need to. The system is the power. I am not the power, and the system's in front of you, so use it. I could teach you how to use it, teach you to manage the power, but nothing's going to get easier than what I give you right here is going to be an easier trading environment than that you're in right now, most likely. So if you're a bad trader and you step into this trading environment, you still might be a bad trader, but it's going to be easier to profit. And that's the important thing to take away. Even so, I give you an easy environment, you still have to trade. And that's all I got for you guys today. Wish me luck this week. On Friday, I'll be a new man, and peace out.